Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to send a TikTok content privately on TikTok DM by iOS or iPhone. So basically we play TikTok and we follow our friend that have the same frequency with us, that have the same joke with us, the same taste of joke with us. And when we play TikTok, sometimes we found a video or a content that really funny that reminds me to our friend. We can just send it to them and let them know that we are now missing them. Okay, so how to share the content? We just need to open the TikTok like what I did just now, and after that you just need to scrolling down and
Do my
find
nails.
out which content that you want to send into your friends. Okay, so for example, I would like to send this video. It's kind of like funny video, I think. And after that, and it's remember me. Whenever I find out a funny video, I really remember my friends, and I already follow her, and she also follow me back. You just need to go click this rose here, and after that you just need to find out which friends that you want to send to from TikTok. You can like just slide into the left side and find out which account that you want to send this content to. Okay, so for example, I would like to send these videos to my friends here, and after that you can also write several messages on them, and after you're done you just need to click send. And now this content is already sent into your TikTok's friend. That's all the way how to send the content privately on TikTok. If you find out this tutorial is useful for you guys, don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel.